The summer break is just around the corner, and soon you will be traveling to a new destination for your study abroad program. So consider these essentials while packing for your next program. Do some research about the weather conditions of the country you'll be traveling to and carry accordingly. For example, if it's hot, consider carrying hats, sunscreen, and light breathable fabric cloth. If it's cold and breezy, consider carrying a light wind cheater. If it's rainy, carry an umbrella or a raincoat. You might be staying in a hotel where the toiletries will be provided, but you must carry the go-to hygiene products like facial wipes, hand sanitizers, sanitary products, and more, which you would require while you are outdoors. Check your itinerary to know which places we will be visiting. Consider carrying comfortable sports shoes for casual tours and formal shoes for business visits or family dinners. While you may be carrying cards that work internationally, but it's always good to carry some local currency cash if you want to shop or enjoy the local delicacies. It's always important to carry photocopies and digital copies of your original documents like passport, visa, travel insurance, medical prescriptions if required, and others. They might come in handy just in case any of your documents get lost or stolen. Wish you a fulfilling and great learning experience. All the best.